today I am gonna try to Hey Black, is your refrigerator running? Well, you better go catch it.
What are you doing?
Hey, light blue. Is your refrigerator running?
I know that.
Okay, I'll ask another person.
Yeah.
Another person knows it.
I'll break it up and then breathe. I'll break it up. Guys, I was so close. Oh my god. So sad.
I'm gonna go crank that one there now.
Ryder said go to Stump.
Hey Blue with the party hat. You two party hats, come down here.
YouTube party. It kicks me out, Ryder. I just said that you there.
Bro,
can I show you something real quick? Come to the.
Hey Pink. Is your refrigerator running?
What?
to what?
Yeah, that's what we're
Okay.
screaming.
Hey Orange, is your refrigerator running?
No, mine broke.
Then you better go catch it.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey,
All of you guys are gay.
Somebody told me
is your refrigerator running?
running, and I said yes. Well, I know.
No, it's not.
And they said,
Oh dang it. Okay.
Is yours?
Yeah.
You're looking at or horror games on view. Oh my god, dude.
How?
Buddy likes me.
Orange. Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Then you better go catch it. Hey, purple. I mean bluish thing. Is your refrigerator running?
Yeah, you're a thing now.
Hey, White. Is your refrigerator running?
Nah, bro, that's not white. That's terrorist white, bro.
Who cares? Who gives a dip?
You're not a girl or a boy. You're a thing.
Ready?
What's a thing?
No.
That's a thing.
Hey, is your refrigerator running?
Okay, go up there. Go up there.
Never did that.
Ready?
Hey, Red.
Never did that.
Is your refrigerator running?
No. Dude, this is
Oh, dang.
Oh, yeah.
Only got like about That's it.